Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a post on the Instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should select the post that you would like to forward as a direct message. So select the post and then you should tap on this send button, and after that you should select your recipient, so type in their username into the to section. Tap on this circle to select the recipient. As you can see, you can add more than one recipient, and tap on the write a message button to write a message, and tap on send separately down below. And if you tap on the messages button in the left side column of the screen, you are going to see the messages that you have sent here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.